What's up, guys? Welcome back to Modern Traders. I'm Ben, and today I thought it was high time NanoX got their own video. A lot of people have been asking me, especially group members, why I've got so much faith in a company whose stock price just keeps dropping and dropping, and why I keep pushing it on them. Well, today we got a little glimpse at the potential that I see in NanoX. They received FDA clearance for their X-ray device, the NanoX Arc imaging system, and it just resulted, as we know, the FDA approvals being mother of all catalysts, in this beautiful, beautiful $40, 100% spike, and right it open in pre-market. And it tried valiantly to hold on to it, but right it open, it dumped and tested support around 65. And that broker came down and tested support again at 55, or 45, I'm sorry, which seems to be holding. It was just tested again, and tested again, and then another time in pre-market. And as you can see, the tightening consolidation always will indicate to us a breakout is coming, and in combination with a very strong support that's been tested again and again, typically that breakout will be to the upside, which alone would definitely make NanoX worth keeping an eye on, because it did give back most of its increase from today. Ended up up about 18-20% on the day, which is still nothing to sneeze at. But I feel it's got more potential long term. But like I said in last weekend's video, it has short, medium, and long term potential. Now looking at the 6-month graph, you can see initially from $20 ran up to resistance at about 65, 68. And about a month later, tested again. A month later, tested again. And this time broke it, went right on up to just under $100 before cooling off. And unfortunately for NanoX shareholders at the time, that cool off is just before the tech sector correction, which brought it all the way down to a $35 bottom, which is a beautiful thing for NanoX fans not yet invested. But as you can see, it has a higher support at 40 just before today's spike, and with any luck, we'll be seeing a higher support again. So higher lows patterns, typically tell us that we are heading back upward. And just in a nutshell, the reason I'm bullish on this company is basically X-ray technology has been the same for about a century now. It's bulky machines with expensive components that are hard to work with, hard to transport, making it so that 2/3 of the planet have no access to X-ray machines. And in my opinion, I would be bullish just based on the idea of increasing customer base by about 4 or 5 billion potential customers. However, the reason I think this has so much long-term potential is that this FDA clearance today was just the first in a series of approvals that I don't see them having any issues with getting. And also because the company their information from the machine will be uploaded to a cloud, making it so that they're able to provide a software as a service type of suite of services, just adding to their profitability. And like I said, the FDA approval today was just the first in a series. There's another FDA approval coming later in the year for another version of the machine, as well as an FDA approval for their software as a service. And not to mention that NanoX in general is, like I said, this is a revolutionary technology. I think it's going to be all over the world, and this is going to be a massive company. But just want to make sure you guys have it on your radar. Keep an eye. And as always, before I go, I invite you over to the Modern Traders Discord server. It's free to join, and we do have a premium section with extra services if you're interested. But until next time, I'm Ben. This is Modern Traders. Thanks for stopping by.